Hey there, thanks for clicking. It is Wednesday, December 17th, and as we're wrapping up the fall semester and getting ready for winter break, here's what we're covering today. Now, we've got sports, a campus close-up at Briargrove Elementary, an important update on our Sunrise Center's holiday hours, and why now is the time to take action if your family needs support. Plus, school choice and student design holiday cards. Let's get into it. Well, we're kicking things off with sports today. HISD Athletics has been busy over the past couple of weeks hosting two big basketball tournaments. 32 girls teams from across the area came together showing off some of the top talent in the state. And this past weekend, it was the boys' turn. And while last year's top teams shined, there were definitely some surprises you'll want to keep an eye on as the season continues.
Those same teams that did well last year are going to do well again this year. Plus, some other teams are going to contend and say, hey, look, you did well last year. We were a little younger. Now we're a year older. We're coming to win the district title and to go far because we want to be the next HIS team that make it to the state tournament.
Be on the lookout. We'll post our full conversation with Athletic Director Andre Walker tomorrow on our YouTube page. Well, we've been highlighting Briargrove Elementary this week for Campus Close-Up. Located in the heart of the Briargrove neighborhood, this diverse campus welcomes students and families from all over, and it truly has a global mindset. Their instruction is rooted in IB programming with lessons that connect learning in the classroom to the real world. In classrooms here at Briargrove Elementary, students are asking big questions, and that's exactly what I talked with Quinetta Sampi about. She's the school's IB coordinator, and she shared how IB helps students become critical thinkers and build cultural awareness from an early age. You can watch this full story on our YouTube channel right now. Well, I rode along with Superintendent Mike Miles yesterday as he wrapped up his final round of school visits for the fall semester. We talked about Houston Promise Partners, the CTE expansion across HISD, and how these programs are opening doors to high demand, high skill, and high paying jobs for students after graduation. He even shared a quick outlook on what's ahead for HISD in 2026. That full conversation is also up on the channel right now. Well, before we go, a few important reminders. School choice is open. You can apply right now on our website. The link is in the description of this video. Now, if you rather get help in person, our next school choice fair is in January at Sharpstown High School. Go ahead and take a screenshot because everything you need is on your screen right now. And before winter break, families needing assistance can stop by or contact any of our 8 Sunrise Centers. They'll be closed December 22nd through January 5th, so right now is the time to coordinate any support. Now, no appointment is necessary. We've got the student assistance form and Sunrise Center locations in the description of this video for you. Now, if you need food assistance during the break, you can also call 211 or visit the Houston Food Bank's website. Also, remember that Hazel Health is available year-round 24/7. With Hazel Health, HISD families can connect with a licensed therapist or medical provider from home at no cost to families. And finally, HISD's 34th annual holiday greeting card contest winning designs are still available for purchase. These festive cards, created by our very own talented students, make a great holiday gift. Now, you can view and order them through HISD printing services. The link is in the description of this video as well. Well, as always, thank you for liking and connecting with us right here in HISD Now. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss a thing. We'll see you right back here tomorrow.